Laser speckle contrast imaging, or LSCI, can help monitor long-term changes in human gingival microcirculation in the clinic to track individual disease progression and wound healing.
The main advantages of this technique are that it is non-invasive and it assesses the blood perfusion of the gingiva with a good repeatability and reproducibility.
This method doesn't require any special tools for the measurement head localization, and the post-operative wound healing can be followed within a surgical site of up to 6 square centimeters.
For laser speckle contrast imaging setup, switch on the computer and peripherals, and switch on the laser speckle contrast imaging instrument. After the instrument is warmed up for at least 5 minutes, open the software and seat the patient in a comfortable supine position in a dental chair. Place a cuff around the patient's arm and a vacuum pillow under the patient's head. Then let the patient rest undisturbed for 15 minutes before any measurements are taken. Meanwhile, in the Tools menu, select and click Project Editor. A new window will open in which the commonly used settings can be saved. In the Projects box, click New to create a new project. Enter the vestibulum and click OK. In the Sites box, click New to create a new site. Enter Tooth 14 and click OK. Under the Contents of Tooth 14 panel, add 10 centimeters as the required distance for the working distance.